Don't throw away sunflower seed shells. With a little creativity, they can be transformed into a unique piece of art. Shape the clay into two sections, a vast blue sky and rich brown soil. Place the seed shells as sprouting seeds, with delicate white roots and stems reaching for life. Small green leaves unfold, marking the beginning of growth. The final touch, a gentle stroke with a toothpick, adds realistic details. A simple painting that captures the wonder of nature in a single frame.